Hi guys, welcome back. Happy 2021. We have officially blasted off into another year. Hopefully this year is a little less eventful than last year. And hopefully in other ways it's more eventful in terms of hopefully we can do more things. But the theme today for our art prompt is blasting off. So today, together we are going to draw a rocket ship, and we are going to get out of here and move on to another galaxy, another year, and just have only positive thoughts and high hopes for what's to come. Okay, so we're going to draw the rocket ship together to start. So again, all you need is your paper, your pencil, an eraser, and some coloring materials. And just like that, let's get started. Okay, so to start off your rocket ship, you're gonna make kind of like a teardrop shape or an upside down Christmas light sort of shape. So it's kind of squared off on the bottom and it goes out and then it comes to a point, and same thing, it goes out and comes to the end here. Again, your rocket ship does not have to be the same as mine, so if you have another kind of plan for yours, go for it. This is just kind of an outline for those of you that find it easier to have something to follow. So go ahead and make that kind of teardrop Christmas light shape. All right, and then I'm gonna add a couple bands. You can do as many of these as you like. They're mostly just for decoration. So I did a line across the top, and this is just kind of extra stripes, and then I've got a band here. Again, you can do those, you can add your own kind of designs along the way. Definitely do not feel like it has to be just like mine. Once you've done that, we're gonna draw a window. Your window can be any shape, any size that you like. You can have multiple windows. I think I'm gonna draw 2 windows on this one. Okay, so kind of how it's looking so far. And then I'm gonna draw the little wings or stands for the rocket ship. So you're gonna draw 2 lines kind of coming out from each side and pointing downwards like that, and then you're gonna attach them. Again, there's no such thing as perfection, so do not worry if things are not even or not looking exactly how you want them to. Okay, so I've got my little wings there. And then I'm going to do some fire kind of blasting out of the bottom. And I'm just gonna add, there's the fire, and now I'm just gonna add any extra design features that I like. If you wanna add a name to your rocket ship, go ahead and add a name to it. Add some decorations around your windows. Make it look like a rocket ship you'd want to be traveling in. Alright, so I've got mine kind of decorated like that. And now I'm going to give you guys a bit of time to color it. Okay, so if you're not done drawing, that's fine. Continue on, take your time. Go ahead and color your rocket ship, and then we'll move on from there, okay? Alright, so once you have your spaceship drawn and colored, we are now going to draw the Earth. So Earth is, in this case, is going to represent 2020. It's what we are going to be rocketing away from. So you can draw Earth wherever you like on this. I'm going to do mine probably just showing part of Earth, somewhere in behind the rocket ship. So I will draw right in behind. Again, yours can be wherever you like. Something kind of circular in the background. So there's my lines for the Earth, and then I'll draw parts of the land. The background there. Okay, so go ahead and draw your Earth. You can write 2020 on your Earth if you want, and then you can color it in, and then we'll come back to continue. Alright, so once your 2020 Earth is done, you are now going to create a galaxy that represents 2021, this new year, this new galaxy that you are going to launch into, to explore with endless possibilities. So you can have stars, planets, aliens, whatever you want in your universe. So go ahead and design a galaxy sky here that you are heading into, or have started heading into already, since we're already in 2021, that this year will represent for you, okay? Alright, so once you've got your galaxy done, you'll see that you've launched off and out of 2020, and we are into 2021 now, and I hope that your galaxy looks as bright and optimistic as our future does. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this prompt. I hope you got creative with it. And I hope that you had a little bit of fun. Happy New Year. Make the best of this year. We're all in it together. And I will see you guys again on Monday. Have a great weekend.